In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history on Yahoo. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your online footprint effectively. Keeping your search history clear is important for privacy and organization. Let's dive right in. First, you need to sign in to Yahoo. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Yahoo homepage. Once there, locate the Sign In button, which is usually at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your Yahoo credentials. This ensures that you have access to your personal account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Yahoo homepage. Here, you will see all the features available to you as a user. This step is crucial because only signed-in users can manage their search history. Now that you are signed in, it's time to search for something. Type any query into the search bar and hit enter. This action will bring up the search results page. You will notice that your recent searches are recorded, making it easy to revisit previously searched terms. This step is necessary because Yahoo uses your search history to enhance your experience, but it's also where you can begin managing what you want to keep or delete. Next, look for the menu icon, which often appears as three horizontal lines or dots, typically on the top right of the page. Click on this menu icon and a drop-down will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This section is where you can customize various aspects of your Yahoo account. Clicking on Settings is important because it leads you to the tools you need to manage your search history effectively. Once in the Settings menu, find and click on Search History. This will take you to the specific area where you can view all your past search queries. Here, you'll see a list of your searches. This is significant because it allows you to take control of your digital footprint and decide what to retain or remove. Now you have several options. You can delete specific searches by selecting them individually. There will be an option next to each search entry that allows you to remove it. Simply click on the delete button and that search will be erased from your history. This step is great for cleaning up any unwanted searches, ensuring that your history only reflects what you want. Alternatively, if you prefer a more thorough approach, you can choose to clear all history. Look for the option that allows you to clear all searches. Clicking this option will remove everything in one go, giving you a fresh start. This action is beneficial if you want to ensure that none of your searches are saved, which can enhance your privacy. Finally, you can also disable search history entirely. This means Yahoo will no longer save your searches moving forward. To do this, find the toggle or checkbox that allows you to turn off search history. Disabling this feature is a smart choice if you want complete control over your privacy and do not wish to have your searches recorded at all. If you want to remove browsing data such as cookies and cached files from your browser as well, you will need to clear your browser history separately. For example, if you are using Chrome on Android, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. This step is important for a comprehensive cleanup of your online presence, ensuring that your system runs smoothly and securely. By following these instructions, you can effectively manage your Yahoo search history, enhancing your online privacy. Remember, keeping your browsing data clear contributes to a safer online experience. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.